birthday to you, Miss Linda. Here's Anita Baker on FM 98.